on with homework for tonight. I'm going to do all the even ones. First one says, in 8 and 9, complete the tables and graphs to show the relationship between the variables in each equation. A rectangle is 1/2 inch longer than it is wide. Let W equal the width. Let L equal the length. Graph L equals W plus 1/2. If I do this, when W is 1, then L must be 1.5 or 1.5. When W is 2, that must mean this is 2.5. And I'm just going to guess here, when W is 3, it's going to make this 3.5. So when W is 1, Y will be 1.5. When W is 2, L will be 2.5. And when W is 3, L will be 3.5. So my graph will look something like this. All right. Number 9 is yours to do. Let me do number 10. The points 2 and 4 and -2 and -4 are plotted on the coordinate plane using the equation y equals a times x. How can you use the coordinates to find the value of a? Well, let's look at this. We have y equals a times x. We know that each one of these coordinates is written as x and y. And so that tells me I can plot this as when y is 4, it equals a times 2. I can divide 2 away from a times 2. Whatever I divide from one side, I do it to the other. This is gone, leaving me a. Now I have 4 divided by 2, and that's 2. So 2 has to be a. All right. Let's check and see if I'm right using 2 and -4. If this is true, then since y is -4, it would have to equal a, which we said was 2, times -2. That makes sense because 2 times -2 is -4. So that checks out. Number 12 is next. The Jackson family is planning a weekend vacation. They plan to rent a car from ABC Rental Car Company. Let M represent the number of miles the family will drive. Let C represent the cost for returning a car. Write an equation that shows what the cost for renting the car will be. Well, the weekend special here, and they are planning for a weekend vacation, is 40 plus 0.10 per mile. That tells me we're going to have, let's see, C represents the cost. So the cost will be equal to 10 per mile would be, see, M represents the number of miles, so this would be 0.10 times M plus 40. All right, so see, that would be the equation I would use for, that would tell me everything that I need to know. Now, we didn't have to put the 0 here because 0.1 and 0.10 is the same thing, really. I could have just point times m. We could have even written it as c equals 40 plus 0.1 m, and it would have been the same thing. That leaves me for number 14. During a movie matinee, the film projector broke. The theater manager refunded the ticket price to everyone. Let n represent the number of people watching the movie. So let's see. N is going to let n represent the number of people watching the movie. Okay. Let r represent the total amount of money refunded. Okay. Write an equation to represent the amount of money refunded. So R represents the total amount of money refunded. So that'd be R. And then N represents the number of people. So the number of people, let's see, adults were, let's see, film projector broke. The theater manager refunded the ticket price to everyone attending. So we don't know how many were adults or children and seniors or matinees of all ages. But it does say during a movie matinee. It doesn't say anything about so all ages is the matinee. I'm going to say that it must equal to 5n, right? Because that's for all the people in the matinee. And let's see, number 50. Oh, that's yours. Wow, that was quick. All the rest are yours to do. So good luck on your homework. And I will go ahead and be checking it with you on Monday. See you later.